Well, it's December 26th, and it's finally snowing. Missed Christmas by one day. We're looking to get about between 16 and 24 inches of snow. It's been snowing since 10:30 in the morning, and it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So we got about a half a foot of snow. I think it'd be a great opportunity to try out my new event shells. I'm wearing an Integral Designs event rain jacket and Integral Designs event rain pants with Macbook Designs event gaiters and Keen grounders for my boots. Also have my outdoor research meteor mitts and some polyurethane working gloves. So I'm going to clean out the car driveway for my girlfriend, and then do laps to see how well these event materials do vent, and see how they maintain good moisture control. So I'll get back to you on how everything goes. What I forgot to mention was that underneath this, I'm also wearing Smart Wool mid-weight base layers, and the top I'm wearing a Windstopper fleece. These are the meteor mitts. They got a thick outer shell. They have a removable liner. And also, which is unique about these gloves, is the liner also has a way to open up and allow access. You can do minor tasks when you get to camp. So I'm going to head on out and start cleaning up. I'll give you a little product review on the Integral Designs event rain jacket. It has a hood. The hood does not have any cinch straps or a way to cinch it down. It just comes with its own internal shock cord. You can take it down and pull it up. It's basically like that. As you can tell, if I can do this with mittens on, the hood creates a nice little cover over your face. The snow is not hitting me in the face at all unless the wind blows directly at me. So even though you can't cinch it down or it doesn't have a lip, I believe the hood is doing rather well. It has an external chest pocket to store in maps or any other goodies. Doesn't have any side pockets. It has cinches at the bottom to make it tighter over at the waist area to seal in the heat. I did about 15 to 20 laps back and forth in the yard to test out the breathability of the fabric. Right now, I did generate a lot of heat. I was sweating a little bit. After about 5 or 6 minutes of me calming down, I can actually feel myself warming up, and I can feel the sweat kind of evaporate. I think it's a little too early to tell that, but initial impressions, that's basically what I'm feeling. The OR medium mitts right now are faring out pretty well. A little bit of a pain in the ass to deal with mittens. This is, my winter kit is actually constantly evolving. So it's something to get used to. My hands are much warmer than using regular gloves. And the 3-layer design is actually working out very nicely. I've been out here for about an hour. I like the straps. They're easy to grab and cinch up. And same with the cinch cords over here. Nice big little cinch blocks so you can easily grab and cinch it up. And the cord locks are rather big, so you can get to them with mitts on it and loosen them as you need to. The Event Integral Designs rain pants are pretty sturdy. They're a lot more rugged than I thought they would be. Being out here and doing the laps, thinking about my lower area, I am noticing that my legs and my ass are really cold, even with the base layers on. So I'm thinking the mid-weight, anything lower than, it's 29 degrees right now, so I guess anything lower than freezing, if I'm actually in the snow, I don't think mid-weights are going to be cutting it. I'm probably going to have to invest in some heavyweight long johns to go when I'm hiking in the snow. The Mountain Laurel Designs Event Gaiters, I don't know if you can see these, maybe I'll back up. They're really great. I like the fact that you don't have to Velcro in the front, so a lot of snow gets trapped in that Velcro. It's a slip-on design. It's really easy to put on, really easy to take off. They're very comfortable cinching in the back. It's really easy to do, so I'm really happy with that. So far right now, the only thing I'm really concerned about, I love blizzards. The only thing I'm really concerned about would be my lower body. As far as the insulation is concerned, I don't think I have enough, so I'm going to invest in some heavy weights. As the storm's going to keep going on, so when the snow gets high enough, as you can tell, I'm only about maybe 5 inches, maybe a half a foot of snow. As soon as I get about a foot, I'm going to put on my Atlas 1230 snowshoes, and I'll do a little bit on that as well. Hope you enjoyed. Alright, these are the Atlas Series 1230 snowshoes. These are one of the more aggressive snowshoes that you can get. Aggressive being the crampons on the bottom of this are very aggressive. This is mainly used for rolling hills and steep terrain. I wanted a snowshoe that can do many different areas, from flat, rolling, and steep terrain, so I chose a more aggressive snowshoe mainly because I didn't want to have multiple snowshoes for different terrain. What's unique about Atlas compared to other snowshoes is it has a floating suspension whereby the toe crampon is actually hooked together with a thin strap. Also, the latch system for your shoe is actually rather unique, where it's you can actually lock your foot in rather quickly and quick release. So I'll show you that in a few seconds. Let's try out these quick tie-up system. So basically all you got to do is you put your foot in, make sure you got your heel thing in, tighten your heel strap, lock it in place, take the strap, locks it in place. That's it. Snowshoes on. Same thing with the other one. Slide your foot in. Put your heel strap in. Tighten it up. That's it. Your snowshoes are on. Now this also has a quick release system. You just pull the red tab. The shoe releases. Pull this side. Off, and it's off. Same thing on the other one. Pull the red strap. And there you go. Alright, now I'm going to show you what it's like to walk in about 2.5 to 3 feet of snow without snowshoes on. You do what's called post-holing. Post-holing is you step into what you think is a solid piece of snow, and your foot sinks into about knee to waist height snow. It slows you down a lot, it wastes a lot of energy, and it's a pain in the ass. So you can see right now. Alright, let's try this. Let's try this with some snowshoes. Here I go. snowshoes allow flotation, which means it allows your body weight to be dispersed over a large area, so you do not sink down all the way to the ground. So as you can see from the two clips, I'm expending a lot less energy. I'm having a lot more fun, and I'm not considering this hike to be a pain in the ass anymore. I initially bought these snowshoes after I went on a day hike with my girlfriend last March 2010, or was it April? I forget which. And in the beginning of the day, the snow was hard. It was about 2 feet of snow, and we were walking on top of snow. As soon as it hit 45 degrees and the snow melted, we were post holing the whole way, and we couldn't make it to the end of our hike. We actually had to turn back and go back to the car. So hope you enjoyed this, and see you on the trail. Woo!